Not there. Not there. I expect you right fucking here. Capiche?
I've robbed with my brother for years. I got this.
I fucking hope. Hey, are you Sam? Yeah, Guzman's out here and yeah, right outside. See ya. Everybody knows a scary motherfucker named Guzman. Now, how long have I known you, Max? 3? 4 months? I don't care. If you fuck this up, I will end you. Hey, are you Sam? Don't you fucking worry, pal. We're going right back to where you came from. Keep on walking, buddy. Who the fuck are you?
Yeah, who the fuck are you?
Oh, hey, I'm Tim.
Hey, it's nice to meet you.
Why the fuck are you here?
Well, I heard you leave. So I'm here to rob him.
No way, get out of here. He's here to rob me too.
No, seriously. Get the fuck out of here.
This isn't your house. You can't tell me to leave.
No, he can stay.
What the fuck?
He's not hurting anybody.
He's fucking robbing you!
So are you.
That's a good point.
This is funny. This is fucking funny. This is fucking hilarious.
Hey, didn't you have a gun?
Oh, I thought it would be funny if I robbed you without bringing a gun.
That would be funny.
Yeah. But you fuck off! Now where's my fucking money?
Well, it was here.
Well, where the fuck is it now?
Yo, somebody robbed you.
Who the fuck else knew about this?
I didn't tell anyone.
I just came to take some food.
Did you tell anyone?
Fuck, my getaway guy.
Just one guy?
Yeah.
Was he with anyone?
No.
Did he mention anyone? A partner? A friend? A brother?
No.
You really just walked in here?
Yeah. I saw the door open, so I went in. And not even 30 seconds later, you came back.
I could have sworn I was out there longer.
Strange.
I thought you said we could take our time. He loves to talk. I thought we did.
So then it had to be that fucking weasel Max. I'm gonna find him and I'm gonna fucking kill him. Let's fucking move.
Jesus, they're finally gone. Now, let's get back to why we're here. Now, where'd you hide it, Max, my boy? Victor, we happy? Victor, yeah, we happy. Come on, let's get out of here.
Well, when you think about it, you're not leaving here with any less money than you came here with.
Yeah, it's like the Rolling Stones song, you know? You can't always get what, but sometimes it's you need. And I think that's what matters.
At least let me get some Cheerios.
Ah.
Greedy bastards.
Hello. It's nice to meet you. My name is Victor, and this is my brother, Mark.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tim.
Why are you here?
Well, we're here to rob you, but all the stuff wasn't that bad.
What bag?
Exactly. And now our mutual friend has it all to himself, without even knowing it. Cheerio.
So what do you propose?
Get him back here so I can get that bag.
But I live here.
But I was here first.
But I live here.
But I was here second.
Good point. Split it 3 ways?
Deal.
So how are you gonna get him to come back?
He's the third dumbest nigga I've ever seen. I can manage.
Who?
Give me your phone. Yo, you Jessica's ex?
What?
Oh, I'm with her right now. She just got in the bathroom, man. She said you guys, she said it's complicated.
Where the fuck are you?
My place. It's apartment 313, the West East building. Oh yeah, Max. Fuck off.
You're fucking dead! Oh, motherfucker! Motherfucker! Motherfucker!
Please, have a seat.
I'll stand. And who the fuck do you think you are?
I think I let that stay a mystery.
No. Who the fuck are you?
Oh. My name's Victor. How do you do?
Fuck you!
Now please, leave your bag at the door and sit down.
Now why the fuck am I here?
Well, you came here for lots of money, right? Well, I'm ready to give it to you.
Okay. Then where's the fucking money?
Calm down. It'll all be worth your time.
My time. You think you're worth my fucking time?
Just be patient. The money's gonna be here any minute.
It's not fucking here! It's not fucking here!
Trust me. It'll all be worth your time.
Fuck you, and fuck you.
Yo, hey, don't forget your bag.
Oh, fuck are you!